Executive Director State Disaster Management Authority kong Matsiewdor war nong briew kala pentep bahai khnai sngi gibla leino kila don ki chingcha pusngsi gibla ja na ki daw ju gibor ka mariang hak spotali ki district jong jala habai kran ba kila pathai khubor khadro trek chulio arjar fly kong Matsiewdor klaitu bagi don haduh nyop khnai li shnong gibla shakta na ki chingtua khandau hadi ka chingha puslap ban lor ki pat ba ki ching shakta ki pajba ki blakot shak arjar nyospa nyopu nyongon le chingtepru bo wei briew layap nakadaw ka chingam jalop apo shushu ka executive director kala pentep banakaliang jong katrat IMD kala penmi i hukum ban pengkre yawan ka jingma nakbenta khatnyo ba khat pratrek ntaw bana jeliu hagi lightly ki district kata ka East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, but West Jinta Hills.
In general, or rather on an overall assessment of what has happened in the past 9 days, we have found that quite a few calamities had taken place. Out of the 9 days, for 5 days there were effects in North Kyrwoh Hills, East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, East Jinta Hills, West Kyrwoh Hills, North Kyrwoh Hills, Southwest Kyrwoh Hills, Kyrwoh district and East Jinta Hills. These include the calamities of cyclone, heavy rainfall, fire incident, lightning strike, landslide, mudslide, thunderstorm. That's it. The number of villages affected was 79. The population affected is 2,777. Human lives lost is 1. Animal deaths is 3. House damage is 186. Now this information that I'm giving you is actually based on FIRs that are filed in the respective districts. However, there will be full assessment made by the Deputy Commissioner through the respective officers, and then based on that a detailed report will be sent by the Deputy Commissioner to the Revenue Department. Post which the Revenue Department takes up for giving relief to the people as per the SDRF norms of 2022-23. So as I said, in terms of cyclone, heavy rainfall, the number of villages are so. In fire incident, we have had only one in West Khasi Hills. This is only for the past 9 days. Yeah? Lightning strike 1, and the rest are cyclonic storm and landslides. Of these, the more affected areas of landslides include the Sunapurdi tunnel along the National Highway 6 under Lumshnong CNRD block, and the Rangan area of the National Highway 40 Shillong Mail. We have quite a few population. I mean, apart from population affected, we have, as I said, animal deaths and the house damage. So that is the present situation as of today. This one death is in Kyrwoh district. Actually, this person fell from the culvert and drowned. Then the local people retrieved the body and handed over to the police personnel. So only an FIR has been lodged. We are yet to receive the full detailed report from the Deputy Commissioners. As of today, actually, as I told you, 16, we did receive a red alert in the morning. So we've disseminated the information to all the districts, to the affected districts, and that's what the situation is as of now. The IMD also issues, district-wise weather warning bulletins. This is also available on the website, and as per the latest one that we have, we can see that on 17th and 18th we'll have heavy to very heavy rainfall in South Kyrwoh Hills, East Kyrwoh Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, East Khasi Hills, West Jinta Hills, and East Jinta Hills. So this is a warning that's been given, wherein the forecast is most likely, and the warning is that we should take action. So accordingly, the people have been advised to stay indoors as much as possible, and to take necessary steps by the district administration.